but not with the shits, no shifty shit. We ride with this stick, this shit get lit.
All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Boost Auto Parts is an awesome sponsorship for the channel and everything. They send me out a ton of stuff all the time to try out and give my honest review, things like that. LM2 running board I installed. I'll put a link in the description for this video installing them. But these two wiring harnesses take about 2 minutes, 3 minutes to install each. These actually are puddle lights. So as you see now, the truck's not on. The lights do not glow. The actual white or amber, whichever one you have, the strip doesn't light up. So that's what these are for. So they will constantly, as soon as you open the door, they automatically come on or off with no power on the truck or with power. So let's get into installing them. All right, here's everything disconnected. That's to the motor. That's to your main harness. And then you have these two here. Then you have the two up there. Basically, all this wire is doing is looping through there and hooking right back up. Very simple. All right, here you go. It's kind of hard to video it at the same time, but there's a harness hooked back in. There to there. And then you got your two wires that come over here. One of them hooks, actually both of them hook up to the wires coming from underneath the hood. And then your other two hook up to the other two. It's really that simple. You can't mess it up. Then you just got to zip tie everything up out of the way. All right, super easy to install. Literally took 2 or 3 minutes each side. Hopefully I wired them right. Hardest part is actually just zip tying everything out of the way. So let's see if they work. They come on. The truck's off. Do you hear how quiet that was? Absolutely awesome. Best steps on the market right now. These are LUMASTEP M2s. I'll link everything in the description so you guys can pick them up if you want them. I have no discount code or anything. And the harness for the actual puddle lights, everything will be in the description. But thanks for watching. I appreciate it.